Welcome to DiPhyx Dashboard Tutorials. In this video, we will create a FastQC CLI instance on DiPhyx and use it to run a test case with the software. To create a FastQC instance on DiPhyx, first, navigate to the Software Packages page and use the search bar to find FastQC CLI and go to its Details page. Here, select a proper compute unit from the drop-down menu, which displays all the compute units in the Ready status. When selected, click on Create Instance. On the instance creation form, first there is the project name field, where you can customize the name of your project. Next, you'll see the compute unit volume field. This is the host volume where your project inputs and results will be stored. Using the Browse button, you can upload the input files for your FastQC instance either by dragging and dropping them or by selecting them from the storage. You can also select the files from your S3 storage through DiPhyx. In this case, we've included our test data, along with a script file, for demonstration. The next field is project volume, which is the volume associated with the software package container, as in Docker technology. Lastly, we have the run script name field, which is linked to the script file we uploaded and want to execute on our inputs. After you're done filling out the fields, click Create. After submitting the form, wait a few moments for your instance to be created. Then, navigate to Projects by clicking on the View Projects button to see your newly created FastQC CLI instance. To start the FastQC instance, simply click on the Start button. Once the project is running, you can check the logs and results by accessing the project details. When the operations of your FastQC instance are finished successfully, you can view the result files by clicking on the Browse button under the Volumes section. You can choose to view each HTML file directly on DiPhyx. You can see that we're exploring the results of our FastQC instance here. Alternatively, you have the option to download the files or transfer them to your S3 storage to ensure they are securely stored and prevent any potential loss. Make sure to back up your data, as terminating the compute unit it runs on will make all the data inaccessible. Thanks for watching our video on running a FastQC instance on DiPhyx.